Lovely Kids Songs TV. Hello friends, let's sing together, nice and slow. A is for apple, red and round. B is for ball, roll on the ground. C is for cat, soft and sweet. D is for dog with happy feet. Sing with me one by one. Learning letters is so fun. Nice and gentle, here we go. A, B, C, we learn slow. E is for egg, tiny and white. F is for fish, swimming bright. G is for goat, funny and small. H is for hat, I wear it all. Sing with me one by one. Learning letters is so fun. Nice and gentle, here we go. A, B, C, we learn slow. I is for ice, cold and nice. J is for juice, tasty slice. K is for kite, flying high. L is for lion, loud roar in the sky. Sing with me one by one. Learning letters is so fun. Nice and gentle, here we go. A, B, C, we learn slow. M is for moon, shining bright. N is for nest, cozy at night. O is for orange, juicy and sweet. P is for puppy, wagging his feet. Q is for queen, crown so tall. R is for rabbit, hopping small. S is for sun, yellow and round. T is for tree, roots in the ground. Sing with me one by one. Learning letters is so fun. Nice and gentle, here we go. A, B, C, we learn slow. U is for umbrella, keeping me dry. V is for violin, music in the sky. W is for whale, big and blue. X is for soulful music too. Y is for yellow, sunny and bright. Z is for zebra, stripes black and white. Sing with me A to Z, letters we all love to see. Nice and gentle, here we go. Now the alphabet we know. Good night letters, good night song. We will sing